Earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about tillage options that are used on the farm, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later this morning. And now Karol is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
All right, Easter is on Sunday. Hard to believe it's early this year. And so everybody is probably busy figuring out what they're going to make for their menu for Easter dinner. And you have a great little, like an appetizer?
Yeah. Or dessert or any kind.
Oh, it's good for anything.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the name of this recipe?
Well, I call it a festive fruit dip. My sister-in-law had posted it on Facebook, and I thought, oh, that looks easy. It looks good. And then I tried it out with my Lutheran Ladies' Aid last week.
Yeah.
They liked it with the crackers, they liked it with the cookies, but they also said this would just be good to eat by itself.
Okay, so we've got different examples here how we're going to try it.
Yes.
Hopefully I have time to try
So
all of these.
They thought it was pretty good.
Ooh, if the Lutheran ladies like it, you know it's going to be good. Okay, so tell me what goes
So
into
I
this.
start just with 8 ounce of cream cheese, then we'll put some sour cream, fourth a cup of sour cream in it, and then you just kind of start stirring. We'll have to stir fast because I used a mixer at home, but I didn't bring a mixer today.
Okay, so you can use a mixer, probably be better.
Yes.
Can you make this light if you want to? Like,
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use light everything. That's against my thing to use light.
We want the good stuff,
Yes.
Karol.
And powdered sugar, because if you use powdered sugar and cream cheese, you can never go wrong.
Ooh, yeah.
So then I have maraschino cherries.
Cut up?
And this is, I'm not very technological on food things, but I just use my old hamburger chopper to chop them up.
Okay.
Crushed pineapple, and I chopped it a little bit too. And then mandarin oranges, and I chopped those a little bit too.
Okay.
And there's a fourth a cup of each of those. So this makes about 2 cups total, but you can double it. And if you got a lot of people that are going to snack on it and get into it, make even more.
Okay.
And you stir and stir, and then you let it set for a little while in the refrigerator, kind of to let the flavors go. And then I put it in the bowl, put sprinkles on it.
Okay.
And I have it with fruit, and I have it with cookies or graham crackers or bagels or anything you want to do. And as I said, some of them, the consensus was just eat it plain. It was just delicious the way it was.
Well, it's a great color here for Easter. Let me try the cracker here with that.
Yeah, it's just really pretty. And
this is really good.
My sister-in-law, she always is posting really good recipes on Facebook, and I know she tries them all.
Yeah, so
She likes to cook.
This is really, really good, Karol. It's on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Karol, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
happy Easter.
It's fun,
All right,
yes.
back to you.